Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? So take it, kid, away. 왠지가 내려 해 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해. Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야.
Setting up the camera. So I just woke up. It's around 5:45. I woke up. I decided to do a little bit of morning devotion. Then there is this prayer that I came across sometime on YouTube. It is a 3 a.m. prayer. It was quite long and I decided to write it down. I'll leave the link down below. So I always read it every day after doing my morning devotion. And then there's the book Finding Me by Viola Davis that I was just starting my read. Later on, as usual, after doing my morning devotion, I'm resuming my routine of working out every morning. I decided to do my workout as usual. I hadn't been consistent for some time, so I was still just getting back into routine, and you know how it feels like when getting back into routine after taking a break for some time. It's always quite hard. But this is the third time that I was now getting back into routine, the third day, and it was quite not so hard as it was at the beginning. So I did my usual workouts, and I'm always guided by YouTube. I'll also leave the link below to the workouts that I do on YouTube. I had my water as I was working out. Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Vivian. Thank you so much for being part of this community that I'm building. If it is your first time bumping into this video, feel welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you choose to stay by clicking that subscribe button. If you are just a returning subscriber, I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much for your support. And thank you for always coming back. So after doing my workout, I took a shower. Then I was to head to town and do some back to school shopping for my kids. So join me in the vlog, and please, I hope you enjoy. I hope you stay up to the end. So welcome into the vlog.
Be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해. Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall,
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me free this feeling. Oh, someone help me see. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see. Oh, someone help me free this feeling. Someone now help me see it. Oh, help me free this feeling.
Found myself inside all this tension. I'm feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've say words I can't take back. I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that low mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, I'm and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a cut. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. I've been working all day. Catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Better way. Oh, up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I can see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad